The decision that current is the flow of positive charge from plus to minus was made 150 years before scientists discovered the negative charged electron. In metal conductors, only the electrons are free to move. They drift at a very low speed from minus to plus, and this sometimes results in some confusion. But remember, the definition of electric current is not the drift of electrons from minus to plus, but the transportation of positive charge from plus to minus. This is important. In an atom, the absence of an electron in the outer atomic shell, the valence band, results in a positive charge, because now the atomic nucleus has one more proton than electrons in the shell. Once an electron again filled this gap, the atom appears electrically neutral again. The movement of the positive charge gap from left to right or from plus to minus is represented by a positive charge on the bottom. This is conventional current. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.